cocoa shoes, my cocoa butter, my Colorado, my Claro, what's poppin', be pumping, peace popping.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for jumping back on here on my YouTube channel. If today's your first time seeing me, my name is GOT2B. If today's your first time stumbling into my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. Okay, my goal for this tutorial is to show you guys how I install my wig and also a makeup tutorial, because I know in the last tutorial I did not do the makeup, and that's just because as I was editing I can see that it was going to be a long video, and I know you guys don't like, you know, long videos, so that was why I did not do the makeup tutorial in that video. So today I'll be doing the install and also a makeup tutorial. The hair I'm using today is the same hair from my previous video, which is from Klaiyi hair. This is their Brazilian Jerry curl, and I have it in the length 24, 22, 20, 18 and an 18-inch frontal. So I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Let's just jump right into this tutorial. But first, let me take a sip of my ginger tea. I love drinking ginger tea like first thing in the morning, and I always add like a little bit of lemon inside. Ooh. First thing I like to do is to take a rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad, and then I'll just use that to just clean the area I'll be applying the gel. So because I don't do the bald cap method, I just feel like it takes too long to do, and also I'm the type that like to have my head like this when I'm at home, when I'm going to sleep and all that stuff. So I do not wear my wigs to sleep. I don't like wearing anything on my head to sleep. So I don't do the bald cap method, and also I kind of stopped wearing a stocking cap when I wear my wigs, just because I know I'm not using a glue, and I'm using gel to hold it down. So I feel like when I wear a wig cap and then I apply my frontal, I can still see the band, like the band of the cap, and I don't like how it looks underneath my wig. So for like a week now, anytime I wear my wigs, I do not wear a stocking cap, and it looks good. And since I'm using a gel and not glue, I know my edges that I'm managing, the edges that I'm still begging God to add more to it, will not fall off. I'm going to be taking this controlled substance add old gel, and this is from Billy Jealousy. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit out. Smells good, by the way. And what I'm gonna do is just take my finger and just apply the gel like on my edges and also on my hairline. Once that's done, I'm just going to take the gel and just place it on my hairline, and this is exactly where I'm going to place my lace wig. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer, I'm going to set it on cool, and then I'm just going to blow dry the gel just so it can get a bit tacky. I went ahead and used my hot comb, and I used it to just comb out the edges, and this will also soften the, like, you know, because we're using gel to hold it, and gel, once you blow dry it, it tends to like harden up. So with the hot comb, you can use that to kind of loosen it up a bit more. You guys see that? So right now I'm just gonna go wet the hair, and then I'll be right back. Now that the hair is wet, I'll be taking this Herbal Essence styling mousse, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on it, and this does define the curls just slightly. I'm just gonna take a spoolie, and because I get oily on my brows, I always put a little bit of the Makeup Forever Step 1 on top of my brows. And I'm just taking my pencil and I'm gonna use that to outline. This angle brush, and I'll be taking the James Charles palette, and in there I'll be mixing this. I'll be mixing this shade, and this shade. So this red shade and that. I'll be taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is the shade Cafe. A small concealer brush. Then I'll be taking the LA Pro concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'll be taking the FRANKIEROSE I Promise. I'll take the Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'll take a mixture of these two shades right here. This is Sigma E40. And then I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Then I'll be taking this shade right here. Now I'll be taking the P. Louise base. Now I'll be taking this shade right here. And then I'm just gonna place it right here. Lid color, I'll be taking a mixture of these two shades. Now I'll be taking the Skindinavia primer spray. And then I'll be taking the Dr. Brand's Pores No More. For foundation, I'll be using the MAC Studio Fix, and this is the shade NC50. Now I'll be taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is the shade C11. I'm going to set my entire face using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. For blush, I'll be using this shade right here. I'm going to set my entire face using MAC Fix Plus. Alright dolls, this is the completed look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching as always dolls, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!